In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and customize QuickBooks Online. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to QuickBooks Online. Sign into your company file if you're prompted. Once you land on the main workspace, often called the Get Things Done page or the dashboard, you're in the right place to tailor what you see every day. Look toward the upper right corner of the screen for the Customize option. This is your gateway to arranging the dashboard so it reflects the way you actually work. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on the home dashboard and try widening your browser window. On smaller screens, options can be tucked away. Go ahead and click Customize. You'll enter an editing mode where each panel or card on the dashboard can be adjusted. These panels summarize common tasks and insights, things like invoices, expenses, or shortcuts. So spending a moment here can save you a lot of time later. To remove a panel you don't need, look for the delete or a trash can icon on that panel and click it. This doesn't delete your financial data, it simply hides that panel from your dashboard to keep things clean and focused. If you're unsure about removing something, it's fine to keep it for now and come back later once you're confident it's not useful to you. To rearrange panels, find the move or drag icon, usually a set of dots or lines, and click and drag the panel to a new spot. Place your most used items near the top so they're always above the fold. Think about your daily workflow. If you start your day with unpaid invoices or cash flow, give those panels prime real estate. Group related items together to make scanning the page faster and more intuitive. As you adjust, take a moment to scroll through the page and make sure everything is where you want it. A tidy, intentional layout helps you stay focused and reduces the clicks it takes to get to your most important tasks. When you're satisfied, scroll back to the top of the page. Look for the Save button and click it to lock in your changes. Saving is essential. If you navigate away without saving, the layout will revert and you'll have to redo your changes. Once saved, your customized view should stick for your user profile, so you'll see the same layout the next time you sign in. That's it. You've navigated to QuickBooks Online, opened the customization tools, removed what you don't need, arranged what you do, and saved your layout for a faster, clearer workspace.